Wow, man.
Yeah,
the trunk feels doing good.
Couple 12s.
And it's low. It plays that middle.
Plays low.
It doesn't unload in the middle, mid 20 hertz range. That's awesome. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Are you gonna have to shut the trunk, or is it louder with the trunk open? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So wait, you can shut the door for info real quick. Yeah. So it's louder with the trunk open when you demo?
Yep.
Or burp too?
Yep.
Really?
Oh.
Wow. Okay.
Yep.
So your name and what's in here, man?
Mike J. There's 2 custom built XV3 12s, 2 cab 45s, a cab M4, Sundown SA2 carbon fiber door speakers, and that's on 96 amp hours of spin lithium with a 320 alt. Stock head unit on a Dayton DSP 408.
Okay.
All new concepts, OFC wire.
Nice. You built this?
I built this 100% box design.
Very
build,
nice.
Everything was me.
What made you do a chamfer offset angle instead of a parallel?
Originally, when I built this for Slamology this year,
Okay.
I didn't have enough time. I was going to seal the trunk off completely. But this setup did so well, the way it sits, I decided to get sealing it off.
Yep.
So, yeah, the whole angled idea was to seal it off easy.
Okay.
But,
Do you know your cubic space size on it or tuning and all?
yep. It's 5.3 net.
Okay.
The port is 70 square inches, and it's tuned to 28 hertz.
28.
Yep. I peak at 28 hertz.
28, okay.
Yep.
Very nice.
Before I reconed these, I was doing 148.5 on a 30-second average music at 26 hertz, and a 150.9 at 28 hertz.
Yes, sir.
But I did 8-layer voice coils, ZB6 spiders, epoxy coated cones, and this will be my first time running the lanes after the recones. I'm assuming it got a little bit louder, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to open this to get it.
Do what you want to do. We're good.
Demo.
We're good now. Just for the info. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walker we got of Mike's trunk system in his Malibu. Really impressive 212 subwoofer system in his trunk. About to get a demo. So be sure to give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. I definitely got some positive things to say. I really like the way he has his angled box. Not many trunk systems actually build an angular box, so you can hardly see by the picture, but his subs are actually angled probably around the 70-degree mark, and they're not perpendicular 90 degrees, so that's a really good plus. And he also has dual inputs on his amplifier rack, so he's getting all the power out of those cab 4500 watt amps. So definitely putting all the juice to these subs, and a really impressive 50 dB plus trunk system. So question is, does your trunk system play louder open or closed? Let me know in the comments. I'm looking forward to seeing what y'all say. He said he's louder with his trunks open. I've seen people play louder with the trunks open. In some clothes, I feel like it might unload, but this system did really well with it open. So shout out to everybody watching. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2022 in November. So just getting to uploading this. It's only been about 2 weeks since the show. Stay tuned for more cardio videos, and let's go ahead and get to this crazy loud bass demo, and stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate y'all always watching. Man, a chomp bill's doing good.
Couple 12s.
And it's low. It plays that middle.
Plays low.
It doesn't unload in the middle, mid 20 hertz range. That's
So
awesome.
before I reconed these, I was doing 148.5 on a 30-second average music at 26 hertz, and a 150.9 at 28 hertz.
Yes, sir.
But I did 8-layer voice coils, ZB6 spiders, epoxy-coated cones, and this will be my first time running the lanes after the recones. I'm assuming it got a little bit louder, but we'll see.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you, man.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, let's do it. You want to do it outside or in here?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah.
What's about to do? But at the
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.